Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course we will have several videos talking about the Microsoft event that happened today, October 2nd, 2019. So a 90-minute event where there were a lot of interesting little announcements. Well, the first one comes with Windows 10 X. That is now an official thing. For a long time we were talking about Windows 10 Lite. A lot of people were talking about that. We were talking about the fact that what it could be and run on what processor. A lot of it was thought to be running on ARM. Well, just to let you guys know, Windows 10 X is actually running on Intel for now. What is it? Windows 10 X is the first operating system that will be running on dual screen devices or foldable devices. It's made specifically for that, and there was of course a demonstration of something we will show you in another video, the Surface Neo, which is basically the foldable device, dual screen device that Microsoft will have next year. Also, we know that some partners like Lenovo will have dual screen devices that will run Windows 10 X. So that's the operating system. It will run 32-bit apps because it's based on Intel right now, but it will run them in containers. So that's a little different than what Windows 10 usually does. It also will be the first Windows to actually seamlessly, and that's what they say, seamlessly update in the background, a little bit like our smartphones do right now. They upgrade. We rarely see really the upgrade process of our phones. It just happens, and we know we're at the latest version. Well, Windows 10 X is based on that. It's supposed to actually update itself seamlessly in the background. Now, if you're wondering, will I be able to get Windows 10 X and try it on a regular laptop, a regular device? Nope. It is only available for Windows, for devices that have dual screens and new devices. It's a version of Windows that will not be available, although I'm sure somebody somewhere will someday get one and show us something. But it's really meant for dual screen devices. So this is really what was thought to be Windows 10 Lite. If you guys remember, Windows 10 Lite was something we talked about quite often here on the channel, and that we heard, quite regularly. It is based on the Windows 10 Core with basically the features of having the different components of Windows 10 in working order in depending on what device you have and you are using actually. So this is kind of interesting. It will be interesting to see the devices. Now, the first Windows 10 X or devices will not be available right now, including the Surface Neo that has dual screen, which will only be next year. I think they're just taking their time. But now we know Windows 10 X is a real deal and a real thing. Of course, we'll have more videos today of the announcements at the Microsoft event, and of course there's a recording available now that you can watch it later if you want, and we'll talk about it. So hope you enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.